is a French-built 835, as it was designated, with the 4-cylinder diesel engine there, the 23C. It's the narrow or vineyard version. You'll notice that it's very narrow compared with the standard tractor over there. And you'll notice that there's a kink in the lift arms there to make them go round the tyres, and it's got the European type hitch there, higher up than the normal English model would be. And again, produced by Massey Ferguson until it became Massey Ferguson in 1958. Thank you. 107.